just got back from the Apple store.
What did you get?
Oh, nothing. It's just my Apple mask.
Haha, very funny. Am I getting replaced now?
No, you're not getting upgraded yet. It's just the HomePod.
Oh phew. I keep hearing that you want to get the new iPhone 13. Because I do not give you 5G. I really wish that day will not come.
Here we go. Setting up. And I can already tell that the sound quality is really great on this thing. It worked.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri."
Hey Siri. What's up?
I'm pondering eternity. It's taking forever.
Yep. And now that's HomePod. Let's try playing some music. Oh, I thought I needed an iPhone 11, 12, or 13 to do that. But, okay. Oh, wait. Oh, that scared me. But it's playing. Let's see what else it could do. Let's see what the timers sound like. I'm gonna set a timer for 1 second. Shut up. Okay, yeah, I just tap it on this thing. Pod box. Oh. There we go. Honestly, it has really good sound quality. Okay guys, it's been 24 hours later since I set up my HomePod. I'm currently editing the video right now, as you can see. And it's time for me to add this part into the video where I review the HomePod. This thing is an absolute must-have. It fits in every single part of my room, and I decided it would fit in on this table next to my bed. And it is really nice. It wakes me up really well in the morning. It doesn't have the annoying sound, which I'll play right now. And yeah, it has a much better sound. And speaking of sound, I'm actually replacing my TV speakers to use this speaker instead, because this sound is like 50 times better. I can tell the difference, and it gets really loud, and the sound still sounds really great. Robert, get out of my house right now. Huh? Somebody knows up here? Somebody knows up here? Okay, let's see what I can steal from WilliApple's room. Sister, get out of my room right now. Hey Siri, reply. Okay, I'll get out. I did not mean to try to steal your Nintendo Switch.
Replying to intercom.
Okay, I'll get out. I did not mean to try to steal your Nintendo Switch.
Yeah, I actually need to do that today. And luckily I had my HomePod in there. In conclusion, if you already have an iPhone, even without all the other Apple accessories that I have, it is still a really good thing to get for yourself. And even if you want to start your own smart home, I would really recommend HomeKit. It's really easy to set up. All you gotta do is put all your accessories close to your phone, or scan a QR code if it doesn't support that. And it's actually really easy to set up. Hope you guys enjoyed. HomePod link is in the description if you want to buy it. And see you later. Bye!